We're back in the action, boys. Boys, we may or may not have a legendary video today. Let me just start with this, boys. Are you ready to see some real sick jewelry that you can maybe afford? I know I sure am. This is fucking lame. Thumbs up, comment down below, boys. Shout out NameBran, full in effects, full in action. You know what I mean? We take what YouTube says and we do opposite, apparently. Although I can't say that, YouTube. I'm cleaning up my act. It's good. You can trust me now. You couldn't for 10 years, but now I swear I've changed. Anyway, fuckers. Nah, we ain't changing, boys. So, company hit us up. We've actually worked with them in the past to do a video, and I'm very excited for this. If you guys don't know, I maybe on average do like a few videos a year sponsored. I would be lying to say, boys, this is for my ego. Make sure that you guys know this. This is dope. Bro, there's gotta be at least like, I'd say on average, a dozen companies hit me up weekly to check out their jewelry. Everyone and their damn mom probably selling jewelry, you know what I mean? Therefore, I get hit up all the time to review jewelry. I say no every time. I could be making a lot more money than I am right now if I just said yes, but you guys know I'm no BS, which gets me really excited for these videos I actually say yes to, because like the company's in hot water here, boys. You know I'm not just gonna like say it's dope just because they sent it over. You feel what I'm saying? So this is always fun, and you know I'm not scared to burn bridges, boys. This company, boys, we've worked with in the past about 2 years ago. Now a lot of people, since I've been doing jewelry reviews and stuff like that, have been always asking me like, what's an inexpensive, affordable jewelry company to go to? And I always give them a few options. This is one of them. We've, like I say, checked them out. I always thought they were dope, so I said yes to this. Boys, as we know though, quality goes down as people make more money. So maybe their jewelry now sucks and we have to review it. I got no problem burning bridges. I'm honest with all of my reviews, especially if they're like sponsored or whatever. So FROSTEN jewelry, let me say right now, they take 1 to 2 days to ship over, so like that's a no-brainer already. I love these guys, and I hope it works out, boys. I don't want to be mean to a company that I actually respect, but if I need to, we will. Here's a FROSTEN jewelry review. I would say with the quality, as I've seen with this company in the past, probably one of the best on the market, but we'll see after this, boys. Let's go. Unboxing engaged. Sponsorship, finally! Let's go! Get freaking into it. All I know is, first off, FROSTEN jewelry, link is down below, boys. If, actually, 100% it's going to be, but we don't know if I like it yet. Now, I know that we got a chain, boys, and I know the diamonds on these are like a prong set. You feel what I'm saying? Which is actually a really good thing. You see the ones that are glued on, those ones suck. But I really don't know what the chain is what I was getting into. They sent a link, I didn't check it out. FROSTEN, oh, let's go! I totally, what a damn throwback, bro. Boys, the bag first off. First off, box. You guys want to look at the box. It's a nice box. We got this right here. Good warranty on their products, by the way. I'm sure is something that I should mention in there. God damn! The one thing y'all could change, though, it's a little stuck in here. We're just gonna rip that. Sorry. FROSTEN card. Authenticity and warning. The card entitles you to a replacement or an item of equal value. Do we even care, bro? Here, experience any defects in craftsmanship or breakage within 1 year of purchase. Okay, cool. We don't care. I just tapped the wall. And then there's another card. Don't care. FROSTEN, my bad. We got the leather white ball sack. They don't make it actually out of ball sacks. Don't worry, boys. Let's go. Where'd my rings go, bro? I just had rings on, I swear, in the first freaking scene of this video. Went upstairs for one damn pizza pop and I've lost my rings. I'm gonna throw them out. I just took out the recycling. Shit. Yeah, I can't find my rings, bro. Well, that's $4,000 gone. Anyway, boys, let's go. Fuck! Yeah, I don't know where they could be. Alright, FROSTEN jewelry, paying for my next ring. Just kidding, boys, let's go. Okay! Boys, the FROSTEN chain right here. The reason I'm not getting all weird right now is because I know a certain company does these the same, kind of, like not the same, but the same style. And you pay a pretty penny for them. This is under 200 bucks, 100%, and it's the quality on the other company I'm speaking of. I might even go grab that in a second. It's not like this. You can already tell with the heaviness, bro. So FROSTEN, you haven't up too much over the years. You've actually gotten, I don't know if you've gotten better. Well, we gotta take a look at it more. I think you've gotten better, bro, actually, because what I remember from the last ones, boys, this clasp right here, FROSTEN's logo, right? And the clasp right here, brilliant setting, right? We're talking prong setting, boys. Dude, I'm stoked. It's about time we actually look at some decent jewelry. This right here, there's no damn logo on this part, which is what I love. And I think FROSTEN a couple years ago when we unboxed, this isn't hate, or maybe it is, they had a big F here if I remember. I don't like that on jewelry. If I want any jewelry's damn insignia on me, it'd be probably like Icebox or Trax NYC, because then people see it's real and I feel better about it. This is the best sign. There's no real branding except for right here. So people can look at this like it's damn real, bro. Now I'm already thinking like I'm spending Valentine's with my girl tonight because she worked Valentine's yesterday. And what I'm gonna do is I'm gonna rock this like it's damn real, and nobody's gonna tell me anything but that it's real. And if they do, fuck, well, I don't know. Well, I'll have to ponder that thought. I don't know if I can handle that. Anyway, boys, beautiful, beautiful workmanship on this. The weight, I can already tell you, is better on this than anything I usually hold. How the fuck does this work, bro? I can never do this with tennis chains either. Oh, you just have to go for it. Okay. This is the main factor, how it lines on your neck, boys. FROSTEN, you're not out the water yet, boys. Beauty clip-on. That's what we look for. I put it on wrong, you fucking idiot. God damn it. Where's my wife? Sarah! I need help! She helps with activities I could probably do on my own, but I don't. Alright, that took her literally just a second. So don't judge me for fumbling with it the whole time. It's actually just easy, but I'm talking and entertaining at the same time, dude. I just went and looked in the mirror with this thing. It's so dope. Some might want like a little bit like shorter like that. I told them what size I want. I like a little bit larger. I guarantee I'm gonna be wearing this. The style is dope. Just look at the clusters, boys. Does that not look dope, bro? Oh my god, I feel like a millionaire twice. I feel like I have two of those. Now, one thing that I wanted to mention is, and we're gonna grade if this is true or not, is these pieces are manufactured to ensure the highest grade plating and weight, is what they say. So, do I believe it? Yes. I'm not gonna lie, bro. With the price point too, these are such a no-brainer to me for people that are actually, I'm just slowly moving up on the screen so you guys don't see my fucked up teeth. I used to think as a kid, well, no story time right now, boys. Onto this, sorry. Absolutely beautiful. I think I'd say yes to a video with FROSTEN any day, to be honest. These guys are next level, in my opinion. There's not much else to say. I'm not just saying that for my bag either, because you guys know I say no to everything. So I'm really not worried about the money, is kind of what I'm saying. Also not going to bring in that company's chain that I said I was going to earlier, because I ain't trying to burn bridges more than I already have with everyone. Boys, FROSTEN Jewelry, links down below. I think these guys are phenomenal. 1 to 2 day shipping, which is crazy, and they've stood the test of time. It's been a couple of years, that at least since I got the last package from them, and they're still doing it. This isn't some drop shipping BS. My final thoughts on these guys is like, it's the real deal, bro, and I really feel comfortable showing these guys to you. So, appreciate y'all for watching. Merkin the game. Love y'all. Peace! I'm gonna go find my rings now, man. I'm freaking out.